Welcome. In this video, I'm going to answer the question, is NordVPN worth it in 2026? If you want to try NordVPN, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get an exclusive deal and discount for your VPN subscription. It is the easiest way to follow this tutorial and protect your devices with NordVPN today. Well, the short answer is yes. NordVPN is absolutely worth it because it's maintaining its position as the top overall premium VPN provider. While it's used to be a simple tool to hide your IP address, it has evolved into a full-scale cybersecurity. The service stands out because it doesn't force you to choose between maximum privacy and fast internet speeds. However, it is built on WireGuard architecture, and this is NordVPN's proprietary NordLynx protocol, consistently beats out competitors in speed test. So as you can see here, I'm currently somewhere in the Philippines, but it landed me under Manila, which is the closest server. It will try to get you the closest server so that you'll get higher speeds. So when you open up the map, as you can see here, you can connect to any of these servers. For example, I'm going to go ahead and connect to Japan. I can easily switch locations right here, and I'm good to go. NordVPN retains near 100% success rate at bypassing geo-blocks on Netflix, Hulu, Prime Video, and BBC iPlayer without triggering VPN-detected error screens. Alright, so if you currently watch Netflix or any other streaming platforms, let's say you have movies from Japan that you cannot watch if you're from the other side of the world, well, you can just easily connect to Japan right here and enjoy Netflix and the movies. Now, NordVPN completed a rollout of post-quantum encryption across its NordLynx architecture, meaning your encrypted data is future-proofed against next-generation decryption tech. You have this feature that is called Mesh Link as well. Now, this one lets you link up to 50 separate devices into a secure private network. It allows you to virtually route your phone's traffic through your home PC while traveling. And its strict no logs policy has been independently verified by third-party security firms 6 separate times. Now, if you want to check the NordVPN pricing or plans, you can go ahead and check our channel out. We have a video for that as well. So that's it for now. Again, the short answer is yes. If you want to ask the question, is NordVPN worth it in 2026? I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.